Welcome to another Advancing Car video and these brand new Transporter HQ T6.1 Full LED headlights. Right, so these are the new Audi Style dynamic headlights from Transporter HQ. Obviously they've got all the little LED blocks and things, and as you saw from the start up, they've got the sequence that they go through every single time they start up, similar to all the new like e-trons and things like that. So currently they're just in either, depending on which light switch you have, either an auto light switch or normal non-auto light switch, they're currently in their kind of off position. So this is your then full DRL lighting pattern, if you like. It's all LED and it's just nice and clean. So if you were then to switch it to auto, or if you were to switch it to your dip beam, essentially, you then have the two projectors that come on, and in there, these have now been designed that they don't have bulbs or anything, it's just full built-in LEDs. So when you're at night time with traditional lights and things, you'd sometimes get some sort of dark patches from overlay or anything like that with with what the bulbs can project, if you like. But with these, because the LEDs are built into them, you get none of those kind of dead patches. It just lights up everything in front of you. So then when you go to high beam, it just flicks on those extra LEDs and then just extends that pattern further down the road and lights up a big old area in front of you now. We've kind of looked into and heard they send a lot of light down the road, which is spot on. So with high beam off, so it's not glaring the camera too much, when we then put the indicators on, you'll now see that there's a much fuller use of the area for the indicators, probably because then it's a lot clearer for oncoming traffic to see when you're indicating. And they've obviously got that dynamic sweeping that a lot of cars now have as standard. So looking very clean, very sharp, and that's the brand new T6.1 full LED headlights from Transporter HQ. So probably suggest you get your T6.1 down here and we can poke them in for you. Thanks for watching.